KlariVis is really helping us do what I think is the very first thing any community bank needs to do, or any bank needs to do, is understand the information you already have. Well, the challenge is the database that is where most of our information is gathered is at a core that is on a late 70s, early 80s database, right? So it's not easy to organize or to extract. Now, you only compound that with every other system that we have because they don't really talk to each other that well. So when we have KlariVis just come in and help us organize that and take that information and put them in the data lakes for us to use going forward, now all of a sudden we're unlocking the power of that so we can better serve our customers. So having this information organized and the reporting come out automatically will give us near real-time information to manage from. Because if we say we have a relationship with a customer, but we really don't know what we have with them because different systems don't talk, how do we have that full relationship? How do we have that full conversation? It's like being married and not knowing what your wife's favorite color is, right? You can't do that. KlariVis is challenging us to be better. Who loves doing those mundane spreadsheets? Nobody. But it's what we have to do. And now I can free them up to do things they love to do and are more important for the bank.